Welcome to our tutorial on the CAEL Mid-Rise Double Scissor Lift, your go-to solution for quick service with extra lifting height. This scissor lift boasts an impressive 7,716 pounds capacity, making it ideal for lifting cars and trucks effortlessly to a comfortable working height. Setup is quick, easy, and safe, allowing you to focus on your work without hassle. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or handling tire services, the MRSL-77 Quick-Lift provides the reliability and convenience you need. Stay tuned for more information regarding scissor lifts and other automotive and heavy equipment. Call us any day or check out www.capitalautoequipment.com.